So let's say you guys are ready to start making your graphite textures. So you want to always have your value scale kind of handy that tells you what kind of colors you're looking for. And so I can see these trees are kind of in the lighter shade, so I'm going to stick with my HB. Before I do any kind of texture, the first thing I'm going to do is use this putty eraser, kind of soften up my grid lines just to make sure, because this is a lighter area, I don't want these grid lines to show up. Alright, then it's just take my pencil. I'm going to use my HB in this case, and I'm just going to kind of just make a flat value that's light. It's not too dark. I don't want to stay like confined to the squares, so I'm going to make sure I'm coloring over these squares. Now, obviously, I would take the moment to do the entire area of the tree. I wouldn't just work 2 squares at a time, but I'm just, for the purposes of this video, I'm only going to work on these 2 squares. But I would be working all the way across row A, probably all the way, and this tree line in the photo does go all the way to row 8, or column 8. So I would just take it all the way across. No point in doing it square by square when I'm working on the same texture. I'm going to pause this real quick and finish this up and come back. Alright, so I've kind of laid down my HB pencil, and I'm going to switch to my 2B because there's these darker patches and they're just abstract. And again, I'm not worried about being exact, so I'm just going to start kind of coloring this randomly in places and making darker patches within this shape. Some are small, some are kind of fairly bigger, but just kind of changing it up. No rhyme or reason to it, just kind of making darker patches where I feel. Alright, so let's say I went all the way across. At this point, what I want to do now is use my shading stump. I want to kind of soften this up. I want to blend these softer patches fairly better into the tree. Okay, again, I'm going to pause this while I do that. No reason for you guys to just watch me color. Okay, so I've kind of blended it out, smoothed it out. Some of my patches seem a little too light for me, so what I'm going to do is just kind of grab a 4B real quick, and just every once in a while, just kind of go ahead and darken up some of these spots. Again, just kind of randomly making these abstract shapes. Trying to get a little bit more depth into the tree. Alright, at this point, really it's just going to come down to free mark at this point, and it's not just random scribble, it's scribble that looks like little leaves. And so as I scribble, I want to kind of make these half ovals, loops, and I'm just tightly putting them on top. And as I make that, it starts to take on this idea that it's possibly a tree. Another trick I could do is just take my putty eraser, kind of lighten up a few spots in the tree, and then come back. And I'm using my 4B to kind of make these little loops. And I'm kind of following the unevenness of my shading of the different values as I build this loop-de-loop in here. I can also come in, it's like, think about making like clouds. I could come in and stipple a little bit just to kind of give it a different change. Can bring in a 6B every once in a while just to really make sure there's some darker values. I will say this, make sure that your pencils are super sharp when you're making textures. Sharper your pencils are, the easier it is to make them. And that's pretty much how you make the tree. Could also work for dirt and soil, but you can kind of see. I'm just using this for inspiration. I'm not trying to make an exact copy. But if I had this go all the way across, then you could really see how this could start looking like trees. If I feel like I need to add a bit more of these darker patches, I could come back in and just right on top, just add some darker patches in the tree. And I would switch back and forth between a 2B, a 4B, and a 6B as I make these little squiggle or free mark lines, just to kind of help sell the idea of that tree. And that's it.